Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to make phone number field required in Salesforce, and we are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So let's move ahead and move to our org. This is my Salesforce Lightning org, and here we are learn how to make phone number field required in Salesforce Lightning. For this, we firstly click on the gear icon, and under this gear icon, we can see there is a setup option present. So we click on this setup option and our setup page is open. And under this page, we can see two tabs are present. First one is home tab and the another one is object manager tab. So we click on this object manager tab. Our object manager page is open, and under this page we can see loads of objects are present, and here we want to select the university object, that is a custom object. So we enter the university in the search box, and our university object comes at the top, and we select this university object, and our university page is open. And under this university object, we can see the detail related to the university, and on the left side, there is a detail section present. And under this section, we can see there is a fields and relationship option present. So we click on this fields and relationship option. Our fields and relationship page is open. And under this fields and relationship page, we can see there is a lots of fields are created, and here we want to select one of the field, that is a phone number field, and here we are selecting the student phone number field, that is a phone data type field. So we click on this student phone number field, and our student phone number page is open. And under this page we can see the university student phone number definition detail, and here we want to edit this page because we want to make this field required. So we click on the edit button, and our student phone number field page is added, and here we can edit anything we want. So we scroll to the bottom of the page, and here we can see there is a general option section present, and under this section we can see there is a option present, that is a required checkbox. If we enable this checkbox, this field is always required a value in the field in order to save the record. If we uncheck this checkbox, then we did not need to require any value put inside this field or not, but we want to make this field required, so that's why we enable this checkbox. And after enabling this checkbox, we click on the save button. After enabling the required checkbox, we come back to our university custom field student phone number page, and here we can see there is a custom field definition detail is present, and there is a field information also present, where we can see the field label, student phone number, field name, API name, and also see the object name, that is the university, and the data type is a phone. And when we scroll to the bottom of the page, here we can see there is a general option section present, and under this section we can see there is a required checkbox present, that is enable now. And after enabling this checkbox, we must enter the value inside this field. So checking this checkbox is required or not, so we click on the app launcher and enter the sales in the search box and click on the sales option, and our sales page is open. Now we click on the more drop down arrow, and here we want to select the university object. So we scroll to the bottom and search the university object and click on the university. Our university record page is open, and here we want to create the new record. So we click on the new button, and here we can see the new university dialog box is open, and here we enter the university name, that we enter Burlington University. And after that, we did not enter any name inside this student phone number field because we want to check this field is required. If we did not enter any value inside this field, they generated a error message or not. So without entering any value, we click on the save button, and here we go. They pop up the message that required complete this field, and after filling the field then hit the save button, we can see our University Burlington record was created. So this show that this student phone number field is required now. Now move forward and discuss about how to make phone number field required in Salesforce Classic. So for this, we firstly move to our classic version. For moving to our classic version, we click on the profile picture, and under this profile picture, we can see there is an option present. Click switch to Salesforce Classic. So click on this option, and here we go. We can see our Salesforce Classic version is open, and under this classic version, we can see there is a username present. Click on the drop down arrow of the username and then select the setup option. Our setup page is open, and under this setup page we can see on the left side there is a quick find box present, and here we enter the object in this quick find box and click on the drop down arrow of the customize, and under this we can see there is a object option present. Under the detail, click on this object option. Our custom objects page is open, and under this page we can see loads of custom objects are created, and here we want to select the customer custom object, so we click on this customer custom object, and our custom object customer page is open. Now under this page we can see the detail related to the object. We scroll to the bottom, and under this customer object page we can see a custom fields and relationship section is present, and under this section we can see lots of fields are already created, but we want to create the new fields. That's why we click on the new button. After clicking on the new button, we comes to our customer new custom field page, and here we can see lots of data types are present, and here we want to select the phone number field data type that allow the user to enter any phone number, automatically format it as a phone number. After choosing the phone checkbox, click on the next button, and then we come to our next step, that is enter the detail related to the customer new custom field, and here we are entering the customer contact. So enter the customer contact in the field label, and then click on the field name which is automatically filled. Then scroll to the bottom of the page, and here we can see there is a required checkbox present that always required a value in this field in order to save a record. So we want to require this checkbox. So we enable the required checkbox and then click on the next button. After filling the complete information related to the customer custom field, now we want to establish the field level security, that select the profile to which we want to grant the edit access to the field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profile if we do not add it to the field level security. So this visible checkbox is checked. Now click on the next button. Now we want to add to the page layout. Select the page layout that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of this page layout, and then click on the save button. Now we come back to our custom objective defined details page, and under this page we can see there is a custom field and relationship section, and under this section we can see our customer contact field is created with the phone data type, and this field is required. Now check this field is required or not. So we click on the drop down arrow and then search the customer object. Now select the customer object, and our customer record page is open. Now here we want to create the new record. So we click on the new button, and our new customer page is open. Now enter the detail related to the customer. Firstly, enter the customer name, and here we are entering the customer name as this, and then enter the customer feedback description, and we entering this, and then feedback comment, and then enter the email, and here we are entering any email which we want, and then we leave this customer contact field blank, and then click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, we can see our error messages pop up that you must enter a value inside this field. So enter a value inside this field, and then click on the save button. When we enter a value and click on the save button, you can see our customer zone record is created successfully. So with this, we have learned how to make phone number field required in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.